Today we talk about how can you disable water reminders on your BodyFast app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications. You just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then you go down. Just keep going down here. Come here to water tracker reminders. Just click in this sign. So, like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here water tracker reminders notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.